welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics video for you guys. So this is the gloss in shade Midnight Lick. Now this is the black one. Now I'm so excited to try this one because it is a black gloss. Because it is a black gloss. It is vegan, cruelty free, and retails for $18 US. And I'm pretty freaking excited. I do have one of the other glosses in, I think it's Goddy's shade, I think. But I really do want to try this one, and I thought I would get it, so I got it the other week and completely forgot about it until now, so decided to get it out and do a review for you guys. And I'm going to put it on black as well as just on the bare lips to see how pigmented it is and see if it is worth it. So this comes with, what does it come with? It says 2 finishes: Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. So it pretty much tells you to put it over any lipstick as well, or you can just have it as a standalone. So I'm really excited to try it. So I'm like, let's get her out. This one's actually really hard to get out of the bottom. So this is it here, and you can see that it has the lid and the black formula inside. It is absolutely stunning. Listen to that. This is the doe foot there. I really like the applicators of these two, and that it's pretty pigmented. With the other one I had, it wasn't as pigmented, so that's actually got a lot of pigment to it. So I am actually excited to apply that to the mouth. So without further ado, let's come in closer. So it has a really nice lolly smell as well to it. So this is Midnight Lick. That is freaking holy hell. So that is it there. I actually don't think it's that bad on as a standalone. It does definitely have high shine. I don't think it's got any glitter pigments in it. It's just very shiny. By itself, I personally probably wouldn't wear it, but I do see that it's not actually that bad. So I am excited to see what it looks like on a black lip gloss there, because that is it there. But I'm loving it on the hand. So I've got shade Weirdo by Jeffree Star as well. So this is what I want to apply it on top of. So I'm excited to see what it looks like on top of it. This is what everyone is raving on about. I think it would also look really nice on a purple base as well. So I'm going to put a purple base on, but I think on my mouth I'm going to be putting Weirdo on my mouth to try it, because Weirdo is iconic on the mouth already, but I do want to try it with a purple base because I think the black would look really nice on top of the purple base. Alrighty, so now I'm going to reapply it onto these ones here. I'm just going to apply it to that black. It's stunning. Look at that. That is so freaking stunning. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what it looks like on the purple now. Still doesn't look bad. It's kind of made it a very dark purple color like so, but the black, it looks iconic on. So if you are wanting a glossy black, I think definitely a black underneath would be the best payoff. But I'm excited to put it on Weirdo here because that purple does still look sickening, but on the black looks top notch. So that's, bring it on closer and see what it looks like on Weirdo. So this is Midnight Lick. Straight off the bat, this looks like an oil spill, but I am living for it. I think that this is actually really pretty, but up close, it looks like a bit much. I'm living for it, but I look like I've got a tire on my mouth. That looks freaking terrifying. What I am finding that it's doing on my hand is it is bubbling in this area here. There's a big gloop of it and a big gloop of it up here as well. It's kind of settled into the purple quite a lot and looks quite nice. But as for on your mouth, it's a nice wet slick kind of look if that's what you're wanting to go for. That is pretty much what it is. What you see is that it is a black lip gloss. It's going to look sickening on darker colors, especially black. So if you like your kind of black vibes, you like to wear black lipsticks, this is sickening. You can see from far away it's actually quite nice. maybe with a darker eye, not so much of a light eye, but this is actually a really sickening color. So yeah, I actually really like it with the black underneath. But it is weird how it does gloop together. I don't think this one is not glooping together, but I can definitely feel it on my mouth. It's not super sticky or anything, and I can still smell the smell, so it's quite nice, but it just feels thick, but it's nice. And I did apply a lot as well. So if you applied a thin layer, I think that this would actually be really, really nice and comfortable. It's just because I applied so much that it feels so thick. But I actually really do like this one, and I definitely will wear it again on darker lipsticks as well. It is nicer to have an option with a darker lipstick to have a gloss finish to it, but I think this would only work with kind of the cooler toned lipsticks. Like say if you had like a blue or purple's kind of a warm tone, but kind of the purpler tones of purple, because I just think if you put this on a brown or something, it wouldn't have the same effect. But definitely on a black, it is nice and slick and wet. Be really good for your kind of extreme eye looks as well. So I really would, yeah, it's definitely something that you don't normally get, so it's a really, really cool product. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video about Midnight Lick, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about it, and if you guys own it as well, and if after this review you're going to be getting your hands on this slicky bad boy. But anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.